The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for Southwestern Fayette County, Ohio, Central Clinton County, North Central Highland County, and South Central Ohio until 9:45 p.m. At 9:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Blanchester, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Clarksville, Leesburg, New Vienna, East Monroe, New Antioch, Cuba, Lees Creek, Midland, Martinsville, Morrisville, New Martinsburg, Highland, KILN Lake State Park, Burtonville, Wilmington, and Blanchester. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.